What is up, beautiful babes? Sweet Angel here. It's been a minute, but today I had purchased this dress right here from Amazon, and I was like, is this going to work for me? Well, it's been several weeks, probably a couple of months since I purchased it. But today I'm finally trying it on. I do have on the Shape RX, this bodysuit, full bodysuit. I will link it below. So that is what I'm wearing underneath to smooth everything out as best I can, because this is a bodycon dress, as you see. Bodycon. That just might be it. It's more of a con than a pro. But we are going to check it out and see what it do, okay? So let's get into it right now. I'm going to style it several different ways, and you let me know in the comments which one you like, okay? Listen, I thank you so much for hanging out with me right here on Sweet Angel TV. I'm having so much fun with fashion, with beauty over here. But y'all know I'm still hanging out on Beauty by Sweet Angel. So y'all want to know how the skin is skinning today? Girl, it's 30 days of facials going on over there. So get started now and you'll be glowing by the end of this month, out of this world. Let's go. All right, y'all, so this is the dress right here. I'm not wearing any shoes right now, so this is it, and not as bad as I thought it would be. Actually, it fits pretty well. Yeah, I'm happy about it. So we're going to style it up a couple of different ways here and see what we can do with it. It is just like this soft, buttery kind of fabric here, and it has a little bit of a, I don't know, fleece-like lining almost. So it is great for the cold weather. So I'm loving that. So let's do the first look. And so here we go with this tan or rust purse from Teddy Blake. I have some sunnies here. I do have on a faux fur, what do you call these? Fur cap. And this cardigan on as well. So this is the look. These boots. Yeah.
You can try to block my light, but I was built for more than fight. I don't just survive the pain. I rise again. I move like the wind. If it gets in my way, I blow it out the way. I blow it out the way. I move like the river. If it stands before me, I rise and float away. Rise and float away. I move like the mountain. When the world tries to shake me, I hold my ground and stay. Power in motion. I am faith in action. I am unstoppable. I move my way. They said I was too soft, too quiet, too small, but they never heard the thunder when I answered the call. I carry generations in the beat of my chest. Every dream I inherited refuses to rest. When fear try to whisper, maybe you should quit, I turn that whisper into a fire I lit. I don't need permission to stand in my truth. I'm a miracle moving with purpose and proof. You can try to slow my pace, but destiny knows my face. I don't bow to yesterday. I rise today. Yeah, I move like the wind. If it gets in my way, I blow it out the way. I blow it out the way. I move like the river. If it stands before me, I rise and float away. Rise and float away. I move like the mountain. When the world tries to shake me, I hold carry the weight of the world on my back, running on empty, never cutting myself slack. I gave and I gave till there was nothing left. Smiled through the pain, put my heart on a shelf. Then I heard a whisper in the still of the night, baby, slow down, you already alright. Lay my burdens down at the feet of grace, took a deep breath and reclaimed my space. I don't chase, I attract. What's meant for me knows where I'm at. No more proving, no more stress. I choose peace, I choose rest. I'm walking in my soft life, easy and slow, letting the river blessings flow. No heavy love, no fighting to stay. If it costs me my peace, I'm walking away. I'm wrapped in calm, covered in light, living gently, sleep, living good at night. Yeah, I'm walking in my soft light, and everything feels right. Oh, I dress my soul in comfort and truth, protect my joy like it's something to prove. I sip my mornings, I pray my days, I speak life over every phase. I don't beg for seats, I build my own table, only pouring love where it's stable. If it don't nourish me, I let it go. That's growth, baby, that's how I glow. I don't rush, I don't compete. What's divine always meets me halfway. I'm aligned, I'm in my lane, grace on my steps, ease in my name. I'm walking in my soft life, easy.
All right, babes, that is it. Your girl is freaking hot. Okay, I was waiting on the weather to break, and honey, it broke. And unfortunately, now it's too hot in here. So girl, let me go and get out of all of this jazz. But I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I will see y'all on the next one.